Guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Windows fonts are looking blurry issue in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11, you're facing the issue that your fonts are looking blurry. You can see that its names are looking so blurry. So let's see how can you fix this. So the very first thing you can try to run the clear text. You just have to go to search here or press Windows button, and here you have to search for the clear text here. Just search for clear text. You might see this ClearType. Click on it. Click on this to enable turn on ClearType. Then click next. Then select your sample. So let's see, I'm going to select this one. Click next from here and select your samples from all the pages and then click finish. Now your display will be enhanced, your issue will be fixed. You can see that my issue almost has been fixed. But if you're still seeing the same issue, but if you're seeing the issue that your animations are disabled, like you can see that there's not any a blue shade, there's just a rectangular shape here. So let's see how can you fix this issue. Basically, it happens when you have adjusted your PC for best performance. So let's see how can you disable this. You just have to simply go to search and just search for adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Just search for this, open it. Now, once you are here, you want to this type interface, and you just have to select let Windows choose what's better for my computer. Select this, and then select apply, then click OK. Now, once you have done, your issue will be fixed. Now, you can easily check out your phones. They are not blurry anymore. So, in this way, you can easily fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.